Is it possible to change the rear panel of the G63 to carbon fiber? Yes, it is. And let me keep a long story short. Here we have the latest DMC carbon fiber rear panels. And of course, they're made from 100% carbon fiber. Let me give you a close-up shot. So you see the center line here. But actually the whole product is carbon fiber. So even on the rear, you can hopefully see the carbon fiber as well. And then here on the left and the right, you see we have these, let me see, here on the left and right, also down here, left, right, we have these panel brackets. These make installation very easy because we basically copied the original brackets. So you don't need to hassle with modification or gluing around. You just take the original panels off your current G-Class, whether it's a G63 or G500. They have these same brackets on there, and you just plug these into place. You install them and you're ready to go. These are of course available in a couple of varieties of carbon fiber. This is the original Mercedes-Benz AMG carbon fiber weave. We have other styles as well, custom ones, bigger ones, different style, even different colors. Let me know, would you do a white carbon fiber on this one? Probably would look very sick. And you need at least two for the driver side and the passenger side, so these come in a set usually. And these are very light. I just looked at the box when we unpacked these. The box was only 4 kilos, but these are actually lighter because 4 kilos is including the box weight. I would say this is probably like a kilo, if at all, per piece. So let's get a weight and check out how much these actually weigh, because this is a very beautiful product. The DMC carbon fiber rear seat panels, exchange covers, not covers, exchange panels actually, not covers, because they swap for the original parts, made from prepacked carbon fiber by DMC for the G63 and G500 series. Thank you so much for watching DMC Live.